gone, surely gone, yes, absolutely plumb. First blood, Pakistan. What a beauty, full and straight.
This has been a weakness with Rohit Sharma for a long time. The left-hander getting the ball to curve back into his bats, and he was palpably late on the shot. A full Yorker, an attempted Yorker, it just defeated him completely. So Rohit Sharma has gone out. First ball for a duck. India have lost their first wicket for one.
Full, look at that seam position. It's only going to go one way with that seam, and that is thudding into the back pad of Rohit Sharma. What a star he is. That is plumb.
Absolutely.